Good afternoon. I would like you to take a minute and step out of the role in which you might be here today. Because maybe you want to imagine you being you. Because in the end of the day, we're all banking customers that want direct access to our bank in bank however and whenever you want it. My name is Martijn Homan. This is Björn Homtersson. With our joint experience as a banker and an IT architect, we founded FiveDegrees on the basis of 3 simple principles. First of all, the client leads and the product follows. Second of all, don't use channels to push, but rather create access for your clients via any device or portal. And thirdly, a bank's operation is ultimately a set of workflows supported by either people or IT. So automate as much as you can. Then the client will add to that process and the bank will intervene only when it's needed or when it adds value. So let's go to the laptop now. You will meet today Jane, who is our client of our demo bank Entro. And Björn will act as our staff member of the Entro Bank. As you can see, Jane, she's banking with us for some time. She has neatly structured her accounts. She has investments. She has even insurances. And she has all kind of products in a digital safe. But anyway, what we want to go to see is that if she wants to buy another product, she easily can go to the bank shop and with just a couple of clicks, she adds another product. Or she can see that her banker is online and she can contact him directly on a secure way, or send him a chat with him, or send him a message, or even go right into his Outlook calendar. So Jane seems to be really happy. She's really in control of her banking environment. But what happens inside the bank to make this all true? To do that, I will ask Björn how to explain how he helps Jane in a structured, controlled, and secure manner.
Hi everyone. When I start my day, I enter the matrix and I go to my dashboard. There I will see all relevant information that will help me prioritize the day. And even if I go to cases, I will see automated workflows which will require my immediate attention. But let's go to Jane. It's coming. We can search by name. Here I can see all the information about Jane, her personal information, contact details, even relationships to others, and her access roles. And if I go into journals, I will see the full contact history from when she started banking with us. I will see documents, emails, cases, what have you. If I go into emails, I can see here, this is the first email that we sent to her, the welcome email. Even if I go to cases, I can see that there are 6 completed cases. Here's customer onboarding. The customer onboarding is fully automated. You can see compliance checks, you can see portfolios created, accounts, and all kinds of events. This is all happening automated. This is not just the only thing that she did with us. She's created goal accounts, new accounts, she's requested credit cards, all of it is automated. Well, she has an open case with us. She's requested us to change her last name. And that's probably because she's just got married. Now, let's take a closer look. The first 3 steps were fully automated. Now, we've sent her an email requesting her for some proof. Let's take a look at that email. The email clearly states, it's here, that her name used to be Stewart, and now it's Anderson, probably the guy. Now, she used to be single, and now she's married.
Well, Björn, that's brilliant. It seems that Björn is really in control. But now, let's go back to Jane. If she goes to her profile page, you can easily see that her pending request is still pending. And she knows why, because she had to hand in her proof. But on this page, the profile page, you can see more things. You can change basically anything, moving, mobile information, and she can edit it right away. And this is not a minor thing, because, for example, did you know that on average people move once every 7 years? So let's assume that you have a bank with 700,000 customers. You have to process 100,000 address changes every year. In the old traditional paper-based trail, these costs could easily go up to 20, 30 euros per address change. So this is just one process, but assuming all your processes in your bank are automated, the benefits of that. You could think about onboarding new clients, onboarding products, onboarding services, client management, communication, complaints. We have that all onboarded. So go back to Jane to finalize her request. She just goes to the digital safe and she adds a new file, which is, of course, a copy of her ID. And she can just drag and drop it securely in the website. That's how we do it today. So, done. Jane is done.
Thank you, Martijn. Well, and of course, instantly, I can see the same document here in my matrix online. I click it, I check it, that's the only thing I do. I go to the case, and I will approve her request. Completed. Now the workflow will complete automatically.
Okay, that's brilliant. So we have seen just another automated process, validated and right. And in this way, we want to conclude, but not without one final message to you all. This new world banking is not only there for new banks. New world banking is basically a mindset and a strategy. And if you have an old back end that you rather not want to change, we understand. And we can help you making those first steps based on that old back end towards true customer-centric banking. I would like to thank you all for your interest, and I would like to invite you to a booth to experience an onboarding with Entro.